Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about the spooky plane where we land in an area, man. Spooky plane carrying mostly Indian nationals. Right, you say man, they pan it from all Uzbekistan. And I mean them say indentured servants from Uzbekistan, Japan airman, I don't think somebody else. So I use words. I see some more drop there. This right there, so should I make Jamaica and shake up now? So I make Jamaica and shake up. As usual, the two's busy being distracted by the gimmicks and the nonsense all over TikTok and social media. It's a circus. I don't know how Jamaicans talk about this, you know. People talk about it like say, I want car, like you know when car tire puncture, and say, boy, I know some car tire puncture, and them say, what them think they are, man? So you go, patch it tire and gone. I saw them treat this, you know. 200 odd people. Some of the people them on the list not even there on the flight manifesto. Spooky, major national security risk. Only for years a plane load up back and every man send gone. People are celebrate a clap their hand. How them deal with the matter is like this is case closed. Then drop a airman, send them back, case closed. Case can't close. If them dig further on that frightened for hear who involved in this. That frightened for hear how deep. Remember the Rakesh Talrija story? We covered on the Indian youth. Working in Ironman, I tell the same that India. Suffering. Decides him I go Ironman go. Get a better life. I told you then that there are parts of India where the poverty is so extreme. That's even the biggest garrison of Jamaica look like Beverly Hills. I tell you, in that video, you don't know what extreme poverty look like. You think extreme poverty in this earth is like Cockburn Pen and Tivoli Garden. You don't see poverty yet. You have part of India where picnics down on corner, picnics down on roadside and fly name them and they picnic alive. Them type of poverty there. So when you see a man left in country go Iron man for a better life, you know that the man there right go through hell and powderhouse. Because Jamaica where him consider upgrading a life, you know say he rough pan him where he come from. And this is on top of the fact that he leaving family behind, he leaving culture behind. Remember say Rakesh the dead. A Cherry Garden mysteriously man go in a house and only go for him and them start robbery. One house full of foreign indentured servants in a Cherry Garden, you know. The Cherry Garden where Jamaicans treat like heaven, like that's the goal. House full of indentured servants. Who put them up there? Who put them in there? Who put them round there? Somebody must have paid for the house. Who stuffed so much indentured servants in the house at Cherry Garden? Surely they can't afford the rent off of them salary. Because when time we hear how much Rakesh make, we know that indentured servants lifestyle in that live. So who are pay for the house at Cherry Garden? So much man. So it look like a fresh batch of indentured servants reach. Fresh batch ready to be exploited. This is modern day slavery right before our very eyes, and then people that use Iron Man like some kind of dumping ground. And just send back man pan plane and ask no more question. Them things they are going all over the world. Countries that take man from one place and carry them to the next place. The quote unquote work what them do, then get a little piece of the money, but the money go to the boss, and before the plane reach Iron Man, the plane all stop off. Multiple stops. Chartered flight. Stop off all of Dubai. Why never come off of a plane and go look work at Dubai? If I was on that plane and me up on a world tour, say me I go look work to make money, and me say plane stop at Dubai, if I could, I just me that bail off. So why the money never bail off? Instead someone a bail on. So that means they go there pass the money around the world. So you get all 1 year in another place, and 1 year in another place, and 1 year over here so. This is international. This is big level stuff. But you just send them back just so. You have to tell me who you are going to, you know. But you see, then start ask questions, then I go start, let me say when the skeletons are drop out of the closet and then go trace it back to so and so you go fry it to see who is the head of the operation. The man them all come off a plane. The man them all walk around like them a tourists. All them need a one straw hat and one coconut in their hand. Yeah, straight that one cruise ship then come on. These people must have a handler. When they drop a Iron Man, they must have been smaddy or wait for them. You gotta go meet that smaddy around here. So who is that smaddy? Who you did that go to? Who is your handler? How much more on there? Do you think that's the first flight in the history of flight? Do you think that plane was something wrong this time? Man a walk around and come from who knows what kind of illness and what kind of disease man a walk with a come bout. Just make man just a walk around Iron Man just so. When just we did him tell we say, yo, make sure you wear your mask because we don't know what's spreading at you. We don't know where man a carry from place. It's not like the plane crash land or there was an emergency and the pilot have to say, oh, alright, the closest country is Iron Man, so I'm gonna set it down here so. And then when the plane land, then we say, alright, this is humanitarian thing and alright. Spooky times. Spooky times. They make this blow over too easy, you know. Make this blow over too easy. That's a big thing. When they see it blow over, so that means to say, yo, send back my things them and left this alone, brother. Alright, my boss. Cause good as them look on the people them like things. Yo, send back my things. We'll try next time. Man of the plane when they on the manifesto. Man from all Uzbekistan and all kind of stand. We don't know who is guy. Suppose as some kind of international terrorist who try to escape something and want lay low. Why them left off them man the name? Then go drop in the Iron Man. Jamaicans, they want to know who that boy there, where he come from. Hey boy, what you do? When them see foreigners, look certain way, talk different, they just wide open and embrace. A foreigner's paradise. Think them don't know about Iron Man? Even an indentured servant from another country get treated like royalty in the Iron Man. Them know about it, you know. Them know honestly. Man who live and get treated like mongrel in their home country. Drop a Iron Man and turn shih tzu and poodle, you know. Spooky times. I'm like, why are Jamaicans not more concerned about this? Man, I treat this like I want car tire puncture, like I want small story this. Bunch of court justice and poppy show. Jamaicans have no time for this because they're too busy debating. Right? If house can skate on toll road and over Brandera. Sometimes people say, look at you, you're not even online for the whole day. Sometimes I have just pull on the phone for a whole day just to get away from the circus. I just through part of my liner, you know. To make content, I have to be aware of what I want. So I am forced to keep having, right, if I look for what I want. And in the process, I have to get bombarded with beer foolishness. I block it off completely, then I don't know what I want in the streets, and I have to know what I want in the streets. Hey, me them send my band TikTok, you know. I don't know how Jamaicans are going to manage if they can't get access to no more TikTok, you know. Well, I guess I owe your Uncle Sam. Man, I'll go on it. Alright, one thing for the people who are actually entertainers and actually gimmicks people. Like, you know, you have people that are for them job, then sitting on those gimmicks and that are them actual trade. Like if someone a plumber and electrician, someone then trade his gimmicks. So we can understand them people there. But in a Jamaica, even the doctor them, the teacher them, the soldier them, the police them, they're just as embarrassing, you know. Social media have bring out the dumbest out of them people, and it's like, I know it make them a clown, you know. They were already clowns, but now them have an avenue, right, to release the clownness. You want to see the Iron Man. Even people will say them a doctor, you know. Sometimes them people they post up things, say them a doctor and them a lawyer. And if me take sick tomorrow, please no carry me go them people here. When you have surgery at 2 o'clock, but you have to rifle walk at 12. Lawyer post. When you have court at 12, but you just don't left your gunman at 12. Like, what is going on? The JDF as in their rush to recruit a bag of youth. They end up spend more time on quantity than quality. They may breed a youth with me say join the JDF now. Enough of them new youth in the JDF. A clown thing. Them join JDF. Or them just want uniform, right, and pose with gun so that they can make them TikTok and get a strength. Same thing with the JCF. It's clownery. Right? Them are people who message with my police on TikTok. I don't want to call them for no help. Them a people me say I said them a teach up on social media, then can't teach no pitney off my nothing. Them a people say them a doctor, then can't even cut off my fingernail much as cut my skin and do an operation. It's clownery. People need to use the I'm not saying everybody need to be serious. Me already tell them to say, people who are gimmicks people must do gimmicks things. The youth on the corner when I have nothing to do, and he make him skip them on some kind of arguments, people laugh, that's fine. But you would expect the people who have serious professions, right? If you're a doctor, how about using social media to try and help Jamaicans from avoiding an early grave? Show people about the diabetes and show them about the hypertension. No, them dip on TikTok, I ride for walk, and I keep up with the latest tune. That's all them care about, tune and entertainment and gimmicks. These are kerosene in disguise, highly acidic males. Them want to be gunman but they're afraid of jail, so they don't really want to go all the way. So they must leave out the fantasy on social media. People need to start, the people them who actually cut for this. People go to school for years and things like this come up. Plane matters, immigration matters. The people who are in those fields, you would think they would be leading the conversation and trying to get the public to be more aware of what is going on and use their knowledge. But instead, them get the knowledge, hoard it for themselves, and then when they go up on social media, it's to be buffoons. I want to cheer these people on. Social media in Jamaica has become so farcical. Police all make video of this informer. How police for hate informer? You can't make this up. Police. They on social media, TikTok and IGN in place, they are burn out informer and make fun of informer and him favorite tune is informer for dead. You can't make this up. How did the country reproduce so much revolutionaries end up turning into a giant circus full of clowns? Everybody's a clown. You can't take a break. Serious things is going on. A plane load of people where nobody can explain. Dropping an Iron Man. We don't know where they come with. 200 and odd. Man, I like YouTube, but I make a video pan with a horse can skate. Someone need to stop. Come over here. Please. Vulture Squad, right, is where they belong. Buffoonery. Anyway, PHM Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, see you circling. Bless.